everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to use Zoom promo code. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. First of all, make sure you open up your Zoom application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account as well. After you're inside the main homepage, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. This will then open up the profile page for you, from where you will need to tap on the promo code option under promotion and discounts. Now enter your promo code carefully by typing it down in the text box. Ensure you enter the code correct and finally tap on apply at the bottom. This will then activate the code and update your order total accordingly. So that is how you will be able to use Zoom promo code in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.